Okay, today I'm going to show you how I install the belt on the 50-inch deck from a Cub Cadet RZT 50 mower. It's a zero turn. What I want to start with is under and then go all the way to the left so that I can go left to right for the remainder of the install. So it's under, over, under again, over, over, and then under. Make sure there's no twists or anything in the belt. And then I need something to hold the belt, so I've got this rubber band here, because I'm going to have to install the deck on the machine. Now normally you'd be doing this on the machine, so you just go ahead and hook that up to the drive pulley. But since I've just rebuilt this deck, which is in other videos, and I will put a link to the playlist there for those videos, then I have this situation where I want this belt to be sitting right there. I'm using that rubber band, and it's going to hold it right there while I install the deck and get all my pins straightened out. I need to get that over there. I need to get that off. The pin's going to go through there, and then I'm going to pull that off and connect that to my drive pulley. And that'll be our next video, installing the deck, which will be linked right here. Show them your groundwork. Show them what you can do on the ground. Yeah, there you go. Show them your groundwork. Is that how you do it? Fight your way up from the ground. There you go.
Do not attempt anything you see or hear in this video. Serious injury or death may occur. Saneauto and or Victor Sane cannot guarantee against improper use or unauthorized modifications of this information. Saneauto and or Victor Sane assumes no liability for property damage or injury incurred as a result of any of the information contained in this video. Use this information at your own risk. Saneauto recommends safe practices when working on vehicles and or with tools seen or implied in this video. No information contained in this video shall create any express or implied warranty or guarantee of any particular result. Any injury, damage, or loss that may result from improper use of these tools, equipment, or from the information contained in this video is the sole responsibility of the user and not Saneauto or Victor Sane. In other terms, please don't do anything you see me do in my videos. If you end up losing weight just like me, it's like